Right, everyone. Today's lesson is how can you use a one-hand block. Right? You block same hands, then you punch with the same hand. Now remember, I always say that hard part, please visit it with the soft part. So from here, one soft part here, right? Then hard part to a soft part, right? Block soft part to hard part to soft part. So the hard part to hard part. Oh, ready? Okay. Hard part, soft part. Okay, come on. Right. Yeah, copy. Right. You block. You strike. Right. Same hand. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Good. Now it's your target. Okay. 1, 2. That's good. 1, 2. That's good. So target. 1, 2. That's slow. Okay. That's good. Let's go. Good approach. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. The target. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2. Now, soft hard part, soft part. Slowly. 1, 2. Right. 1, 2, 3. That's good. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Make one thing now. Speed up. Get slow. You're pulling too much. Just slide it, then strike. Yeah. Strike. I want to show you big strike. Right. That's simple thing. That's our lesson for today. See you on to the next lesson.